Hello and welcome to our video on the topic of whether ebooks and modern technology will totally replace traditional newspapers and magazines. This is a topic that has gained a lot of attention in recent years due to the increasing popularity of e-readers and online news sources. In this video, we'll explore both sides of the argument and provide you with some key points to consider. On the one hand, there are those who believe that traditional newspapers and magazines will soon become obsolete due to the rise of e-books and modern technology. One of the main arguments for this is the convenience and accessibility of digital media. With a simple click or tap, readers can access an endless amount of content from anywhere in the world. This makes it much easier to keep up with the latest news and trends, as well as to access a wide range of books and other publications. However, there are also many who disagree with this idea, arguing that traditional newspapers and magazines will continue to have a place in our society. One key point to consider is the fact that not everyone has access to digital media, particularly in developing countries. Traditional newspapers and magazines are often more affordable and easier to access for these populations. Additionally, many people simply enjoy the experience of reading a physical book or magazine, and value the tactile experience of turning pages and holding something in their hands. Another argument against the idea that e-books and modern technology will replace traditional media is the issue of reliability. While digital media can be updated quickly and easily, it is also more susceptible to hacking, manipulation, and misinformation. Traditional media, on the other hand, is often subject to more rigorous fact-checking and editing processes, which can help to ensure that the information presented is accurate and trustworthy. Conclusion. So, in conclusion, while there are certainly advantages to ebooks and modern technology, it is unlikely that they will completely replace traditional newspapers and magazines. Both forms of media have their own unique strengths and weaknesses, and will likely continue to coexist in our society for the foreseeable future. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video has given you some useful insights into this topic.